Hey everyone, Trent here from Precision Transmission, and don't we have a lot on our plate today. Here we've got a 4L60E, a 2000 version that is fried from the front to the back. Fried from our 3/4 clutch or a 2/4 band. Let me show you the band. Our drum should be good. We're gonna do some sanding on it with our sand pieces over here and see if we can get that to clean up real nice. To our forward clutch is fried. We'll have to go and check our planetaries and everything like that. Change every bushing. We don't skimp around here. So I have started cleaning some things up. We're getting everything cleaned up for our rebuild. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that we put in these. I mean, everything. We do not skimp. From your pump rotors, wideband, shell, all your molded pistons, your 14 clutch 3/4. I mean, everything, guys. We do not skimp. You skimp, they come back. So it's better to replace everything and make them better the first time around, so you're not coming back for the second. I hope everyone has a great day. I'm gonna get this thing built up. We'll talk to you soon.